Alright, we're still in lockdown, but I just had to get out and have a bit of a fly. So look at this spot. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to attach the GoPro. It's my first time flying with a GoPro, so hopefully it goes well. We are in the helicopter flight path, so just got to wait for the helicopter to pass. And I'll give you a little video of my beast. Look at this. Oops. I built it myself. I've only had maybe 1 or 2 flights, or 1 test flight really so far. As soon as I finished building it, the lockdown extreme began. So we do have FPV on it, but I'm not sure if I'll try FPV today. I'll just let us see how it goes and give it a go. It's got GPS. It's got a little receiver in the back there, battery. So alright, so we'll attach this GoPro and see how we go. Alright, it's also nice and muddy, so I don't think many people are going to venture out here, so we should hopefully not be disturbed by anyone. Must have the blades on the wrong ones. Bugger. Alright, here we go for take 2. Spent 15 minutes changing all the blades over. Let's remember to fix that when we get back. Oh. Yes, I found it. Thank God. I was getting very worried there. Well, today's flying mission sucks.